Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, and welcome to the Rush Ramore Reviews. We're here with you again today with another exclusive development. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free, and we're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of May. So definitely subscribe, guys. Remember to like, comment, and share. That helps the video to spread. And I hope you guys are definitely staying safe in light of this coronavirus. Hope you guys are taking all the necessary precautions, social distancing, sanitizing, and stuff like that. So this is video number 2. I did a initial video when it was mainly foundation. I'll put that in the description and in the comments as well for video number 1. So if you haven't seen it, you can check it out. So this is video number 2. We're on Wellington Drive off Old Hope Road, off Mona Road. There are actually 2 constructions happening, like 200 meters apart. So I'll do one on that as well. That's gonna be video number 1 because that's a new development. But this is video number 2 for this apartment. Alright, so we are seeing that the contractor is BYD. So I'm not sure how tall this one is gonna be, but in the backdrop we have some nice multi-story houses. Show you guys a little bit closer. So it's a real nice view up there. Alright, so I think they're progressing steadily. I think I came here probably 6 months ago, so good amount of work happened since. I think this is a very good residential community as well. What do you guys think? It's close to the US Embassy, it's close to Mona, close to University of the West Indies, close to Liguanea. So it's a very good residential upscale community. And this is a apartment complex in the midst. So I think this one for sure will have underground parking. Alright, so not a whole lot to see because of the perimeter fencing. But just thinking right now, I guess when the channel is able to have a drone, then we would have been able to see it from a bird's eye view. But nevertheless, just showing you guys as much as I can in terms of this development here on Wellington Drive. So this is the front view. Alright, so let's take a walk around to the side just to see the side view, to see the length. And again, guys, what we're gonna do when all these apartments are finished, it would be good to rate them from 1 to 10 in terms of you know, best location, best amenities and stuff like that. But I know most of them is not finished yet, so we don't see the final look. The loft is basically finished, 20 South is finished, Parkhurst one is basically finished, and as these others finish as well, we can definitely compare and rate them. We know this land area is sloping, so at least 2 floors are below ground level, so that could be parking. I know there's an empty land beside. I'm not sure if that would be a part of this complex as well, probably additional parking and other amenities, not sure, but beside it is an empty land, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a part of the complex. So this is a Mercedes coming down the road. So some nice vehicles are on the road. What vehicles do you guys like? What are you guys, you know, favorite brand? Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, what do you guys like? You can definitely let me know in the comments as well. So Wellington Drive, update on this apartment complex right here. Not a lot of details about it as yet. Not seen a picture on the perimeter fence. I know some of them put up a final picture, so you see the design. Not seen that. So that road leads to Mona Heights, to Huey, to Mona Road. And these are the apartments on the hill, and sorry, houses, multi-story houses on the hill as well. Very nice view. I think right there is the Mercedes-Benz we just saw. Very ironic. That's the red Benz we just saw. What a coincidence. So it's right there. Alright, so this is another front view. I'm directly in front. We see JMMB Bank is the financing institution. I see JMMB has financed quite a few projects. So another front view. We see the staircase in the middle. Design lab is the designing engineers. And we know there's a lot of Chinese worker on this as well. I guess they're off today. Hopefully it's not the coronavirus that has paused this construction, hopefully. Alright guys, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Remember to comment, like and share. And if you want to donate to the channel, all that is in the description as well. PayPal and other banking info. There's a house being constructed up there. So thanks for the support guys, and see you on another video. And definitely stay safe.